Welcome to my journey, 80 Farm to Habitat. Farm acres turned into habitat, primarily for deer and pheasants, but there's so much wildlife that takes advantage of the improvements made. So today I did some tree cutting. Most of these are poplar and they're gonna die, but there's some of them that will live, like these. So I create a little pocket underneath the tree. This one I expect to live. That's not a poplar. Same thing with this one. Actually, maybe a young oak that was never going to produce anything. But clearing out the beds, there's no sticks in there is the main thing. So here's a great pocket right here with overhead cover. Another one right here. Thanks for joining me on my journey.